How to add SUI to MetaMask wallet. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add SUI to your MetaMask wallet. So let's get started. First of all, you need to either download the MetaMask application on your phone or your PC, or you can even add a Chrome extension. Like you can see, I've added a Chrome extension over here, and in order to add the Chrome extension you can just search MetaMask Chrome extension and download that. After that you'll be able to see this extension puzzle piece over here, so just click on that and select MetaMask. So once you click on MetaMask, you'll be able to see an interface of MetaMask like this in front of you. It basically just gives you a mobile view on your PC screen. Over here you'll be able to see these three dots, so just click on it, and once you click on that you'll be able to see multiple options. So you're going to search for snaps. Once you click on snaps, all of the snaps you have will be added over here. However, if you don't have any snaps over here, you can just click on discover snaps and you'll be redirected to the snap store, you can say, sort of. And over here go to the search bar and search for SUI. So you're going to type in SUI, and this is the snap that you need to add to your MetaMask. So once you're redirected to this page, you can see that 34k installs have been done on this SUI, and you can just click on add to MetaMask. And once you click on add to MetaMask, and after that open your MetaMask account. So if you're going to come to your MetaMask account again and then do the same steps, like click on these three icons and then click on snaps, and you'll be able to see SUI over there. So in order to add other tokens or snaps, you can just click on or search for those particular snaps on the snap store and then add to MetaMask, and all of them will be displayed over here. So that is basically how you can add SUI to MetaMask. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.